I gave out analysis on Monday, that is the focus analysis of this week's trade. And guess what? They played out as expected. I gave out gold trades, I gave out Euro USD, GBP USD, and US 30, So, and as usual, guys, I document my trades. So let me show you. I gave out an entry signal on GBP USD. All right, that is to my premium gang. So let me just take you through and show you how GBP USD was looking like before we back in. All right, just a minute. Where are you, Euro US? Come on, what's happening? Just a minute. Okay, right here. Once again, you can pause this video, try to zoom around this zone right here. You see the market was taken on April 23 at 3:59 UTC, and I say, expect a pullback when you take that entry. And of course, as the trade played out, you see this is when we were in profit, and remember I said expect pullback. So you see the pullback was happening and the market went all the way to hit TP over 90 pips, I believe so, 97 pips, which was an amazing run. So let me just explain what I saw and why I was anticipating that buy position despite all the market still in downtrend. Okay, so I'll hit my replay tool once again right here. Okay, now based on the daily, this is what we had. So in fact, let me just remove some of my drawings. Okay, let me not waste your time, guys. So there's this thing, guys, that when the market breaks out a support, most people expect pullbacks, which is okay. You expect pullback, then you take your sell because the market broke out of support. Okay, and of course, when the market breaks a resistance, you expect a pullback and then take a buy. Okay, but that's not the case, guys. I've realized that markets, of course, do respect trend lines. Okay, that's why I do preach every day, guys. It doesn't matter whether you trade SMC, ICT, order block things, I don't know, whichever kind of strategy you trade, guys, at least try to identify the trend. Okay, use trend lines. Okay, now look at this. If I remove this trend line of mine right here like this, okay, now most people do trade like this. Yes, the market has broken out of this support level right here. So as usual, I'm expecting the market here, it broke. I'm expecting a correction before the market drops, which is not bad though. But that's the old type of trading strategy. So let me just show you something. Let me go to the 4 hour. Okay, now before we go back to the 4 hour, let's take it back to the daily. I want to show you something. There's this level right here, right over here. There's that support level right there. Okay, and I marked that level because the market broke out of this support, turning it to a resistance. Remember, I keep on saying it doesn't mean that if the market breaks a support, we're changing our direction. It doesn't mean that if the market breaks a resistance, we're changing our direction. Okay, guys, be key. Let me show you. Let's go to the 4 hour now. All right, now based on the H4, this is what the market did. In fact, the market dropped right there. Right there. Now, when this was happening, I say I need to understand the approach. I keep on saying understand how price approaching a support or resistance, which will be helpful, guys. Okay, so let me go to the 1 hour. Yes, right here. Now we have trends inside trends or trends within trends, guys. I hope you've heard me talking about that quite a lot. Now there's this kind of a trend, there's this downtrend. Yes, there's this downtrend too, but now all that approach just tells me that the market wants to reverse, guys. That kind of an approach, okay, targeting this level, targeting this support, was just to tell me that this market wants to reverse, to go back to the upper side. Okay, but we need to add more confidence. Guess what? I was saying that what if this market gives me a left shoulder right here and it went down to give me the head, and now I was anticipating the market to go up, give me a right shoulder, then that's an inverse head and shoulder form. Let's go, guys. I have my previous video that I did upload. You need to confirm, guys. I gave out this analysis, and the way I'm trying to break down, that's the way I was anticipating that this market will do this, give me a left shoulder, give me a head, give me a right shoulder. That's when we execute. Okay, of course I'm going to leave the link of that video for you just to confirm, yeah, because I believe we still have some doubting Thomas, guys. All right, so let's see what the market did. The market went. Now let's go to the 15 minutes. All right, right there. Okay, so the market did this thing right there, and guess what? It went down. When the market was dropping, guys, I keep on saying it doesn't mean that the market has taken out a support. It doesn't mean that the market is changing its direction. Understand the market. Yes, it broke out of that support, and guess what? Look for patterns. I was still sticking to my buy entries, so when the market was dropping, I had no problem. So I said, what if this market is trying to give me another left shoulder right here? This is the head, goes up, right shoulder, come down, whee, anticipation, you understand? And guess what? The market went, and I say anticipate or expect pullbacks. Yeah, okay, this is when I call in for buy position, gang. I remember my inverse head and shoulder actually is complete. Left shoulder right here, this is the head right here, then the market has already given me a right shoulder. Boom, everything is complete. I hope that makes sense, guys. Okay, so guess what? The market started doing its thing, guys. I say expect a correction, guys. I don't know, I know most people will have closed this end because they saw that the market is pulling off, but you need to understand that there's no way that the market is going to shoot all the way up, or there's no way that the market will just drop, guys, unless that is news, you understand? But always anticipate or always expect corrections. Expect that. I say you don't just breathe in, hold your breath. You need to breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. That's the market. Breathe in, breathe out. The moment the market is pulling back, it's trying to give people another chance. You miss your entry, the market's pulling back to say, okay, there are some buyers that we left. Get in the train. Let's go. That's it. The market did that. And guess what? The market doing its thing. It never took time, gang. Let me just show you. Right? Right there. So this is when I was talking about scalping, guys. Remember my strategy. I care about the scalpers. I also cater for day traders and also swing traders. So now this is when the market moved 30 pips, and I said she moved 30 pips. If you're a scalper, you should be out. Don't hold. Okay. Then let me see how much was this. 55 pips, more than a scalp. This is when the market was 55 pips. That was more than a scalp and more than a day trader. And so the rest was only for the swing traders to hold. And guys, remember my 50 to, I don't know, trading the $50 account. Guess what? Look at the result, baby. From $50 to $226. Guys, remember, I'm trying to see if I can trade this $50 to 500. And after 500, let's see if we hit $1,000. So I believe you guys learned something, and adios, mi amigos, guys. Please check out my Telegram link in the description, and do not be scammed, guys. The only way to reach me out is in the description. Link in the description. I know there are so many Telegram channels who have more subscribers than me. So adios, mi amigos. Peace.